Next up, we have to cover some basic knowledge about split brain research. This is research involving patients whose corpus callosum, the connection between the brain's two hemispheres, is severed. These unique patients give us insight into how the two hemispheres of the brain function. For example, in cases of severe epilepsy, the corpus callosum is sometimes severed to prevent seizures from spreading. This procedure has revealed that the right and left hemispheres specialize in different functions. The left hemisphere typically processes language. It contains Broca's area, which is responsible for speech production, and Wernicke's area, which is responsible for speech comprehension. Damage to these areas can result in aphasia, a condition that affects language ability. Let's look at a hypothetical split brain research study to better understand what these types of studies reveal about our brain's two hemispheres. Imagine we have a patient whose corpus callosum has been split so their brain hemispheres cannot communicate with one another. The experimenter places a spoon in the patient's left hand without letting them see it. Touch from the left hand is processed exclusively by the right hemisphere, so the patient's right hemisphere knows what they are holding. However, the right hemisphere cannot send this information to the left hemisphere, where language is processed, due to the severed corpus callosum. Without this connection, the patient's speech center remains unaware of what the right hemisphere knows, and therefore the patient cannot tell the researcher what they're holding. The left hemisphere remains oblivious. Interestingly, the left hand could still point to a picture of a spoon, demonstrating that the patient knows what they're holding, but just cannot verbalize it due to the split brain phenomenon. If you're an AP psychology student, make sure you grab my free AP psychology course checklist to test your knowledge of the whole course. There's a link below to get it. It's completely free and a must-have for all my students. I'll also throw in my full AP psychology glossary and vocabulary bank, and my guide to the 5 hardest AP Psych questions that students get wrong in their exam. This video has been a snippet from my complete 4-hour AP Psych study guide video that covers the curriculum in one mega video. You can click that video on the screen now to watch it.